Good evening, students. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about the lesson called the two great musicians, and this is a lesson about two great singers like M.S. Subbalakshmi and Lata Mangeshkar. Now, in this audio class, we are going to discuss only the achievements of M.S. Subbalakshmi. Before doing so, I would like to introduce some new words. Communique means official intimation. Please means willing or agreeable. Doyen means most experienced member in a field. Distinction means difference. Rendered speechless means unable to speak due to surprise. Tinged means shaded. Prominent means distinguished. Conferred means granted or honored. Renowned means famous. Glory means importance. Recite means sing. Effortless means seems easy. Then restraint means calm and sensible controlled behavior. Constant means regular. Self appraisal means self evaluation. Blending means mixing. Intuitive means sixth sense. Recipient and receiver. Accolades means price. Now this is the picture of MS Subbalakshmi. Now if you want to listen to her melodious voice, you can click on this link and you can enjoy the music. The one-line communique refers to the formal invitation of the then the President K.R. Narayan. Then K.R. Narayan was the President at the time when M.S. Subbalakshmi awarded with Bharata Ratna. That the President is pleased to award Bharata Ratna to M.S. Subbalakshmi was greeted. Greeted means welcomed by doyens means seniors of Indian music. All the seniors of Indian music welcomed the move of awarding Bharata Ratna to M.S. Subbalakshmi. Now here you can look, M.S. Subbalakshmi is receiving Bharata Ratna from the then President K.R. Narayan. She was in fact the first musician to be awarded with this distinction. Okay, she was the first woman musician to receive this honor. When President spoke to her over the phone before making the announcement, K.R. Narayan phoned her. Eyewitnesses said that MS was rendered speechless, and when K.R. Narayan called her and told that Bharata Ratna will be awarded to her, then she was speechless and she was wordless. However, her moment of joy was tinged with sadness, but she received Bharata Ratna with sadness. She had lost her husband Tyagaraja Sadashivam. Because she lost her husband Tyagaraja Sadashivam, a freedom fighter, just a couple of months earlier. You can see the picture here. M.S. Subbalakshmi along with her husband Tyagaraja Sadashivam. He was also a great freedom fighter. He was not only a good husband but also a great freedom fighter. But when Bharata Ratna was awarded to M.S. Subbalakshmi, she lost her husband, and that's why she was sad. Prominent personalities, many personalities in the field of classical music congratulated her on being conferred the highest civilian award. Okay, and each and everyone congratulated her on being awarded with the highest civilian award. Renowned vocalist, the famous vocalist Pandit Jasraj said the event was a moment of glory for classical music in the golden jubilee year of India's independence. Then here you can see the picture of famous vocalist called Pandit Jasraj. He said that the movement of glory for classical music in the golden jubilee year of India's independence. Doyen of Carnatic music, the other senior singer of Carnatic music called Seemangundi Srinivas Iyer, expressed his joy over the award, saying, "The music world and Tamil Nadu have been honored by the decision." This is the picture of Seemangundi Srinivas Iyer. He was a famous Carnatic music singer. He said that it is not only a honor to M.S. Subbalakshmi, but it is a honor to entire Tamil Nadu. This was said by Seemangundi Srinivas Iyer. M.S. Subbalakshmi was born on September 16. M.S. Subbalakshmi was born on September 16, 1916. She gave her first recital at the tender age of 10. She started singing at the age of 10 when she was asked to sing at the wedding of a friend of a family in Madurai. She started singing from Madurai on one of the ceremonies, that is wedding ceremonies. Her seemingly effortless music was rooted in technical mastery, and she got a technical mastery over the music because she worked ceaselessly means continuously, restrained with balance, and constant means unstopping. Self appraisal means self evaluation. No other artist had been as successful in blending the intuitive and the reflective elements of the art. She was successful in binding the intuitive and reflective elements of the art. Okay, this is the picture of MS Subbulakshmi when she was around 10 years of age. MS was the first woman recipient of Sangeeta Kalanidhi. After this, she was also awarded with Sangeeta Kalanidhi, the first one to popularize Carnatic music in North India. Until Carnatic music was famous in southern states, but when MS Subbulakshmi started singing, the Carnatic music became popular not only in southern states but also in northern states and in the west. On one celebrated occasion, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, requested her to sing his favorite bhajan for him, and MS had won many awards and accolades. Okay, now here Mahatma Gandhi also requested her to sing a famous bhajan. She was called the Nightingale of India, and MS Subbulakshmi is rightly called as Nightingale of India, and was awarded Bharata Ratna in 1998. In the year 1998, she was awarded with Bharata Ratna. MS breathed her last on December 11, 2004 at Chennai. She lost her breath at Chennai on December 11th and 2004. Okay, here you can see the mortal remains of MS Subbulakshmi. Okay, this is a brief summary of the life and achievements of MS Subbulakshmi.